Hello and welcome to another video. This video we're going to talk about Rekordbox lighting. There's my RB one down there. Rekordbox lighting with the Chauvet Gigbar 2 because with the 5.50 update they have added Gigbar 2 support. So first I want to talk about the setup, which I've already done. So if we go on to lighting, what you'll need to do is you'll make sure you've got the latest edition of Rekordbox. This is 5.6.0. Update your fixture library by clicking on that icon. Make sure your fixture library is up to date before you do anything. Then you're looking for Gigbar 2 Rekordbox is ready. 23 channel mode, I recommend 23 channel mode. Set up the I'm sure you'll be able to sell your Chauvet Gigbar for DMX. Make sure that you've got the right channel mode, and I'll give it a quick demo. Put it in high mode so you can see. Actually, I'll do club. Do that version. Right, okay, I've got some royalty-free music, so this doesn't get and it's going to come out the PC speakers, so it's going to sound a bit quiet. So I'll just press play, and you can have a look at that then. You can see the laser's working. I have played about with and I do know the strobes are working. There we go. Should we see another one? Should we try Vivid this time? Let's see what that sounds like or looks like. Should we? So there you go, Chauvet Gigbar 2 with Rekordbox lighting. So I've done a bit of a bonus video. I broke out a phase machine and some American DJ pocket spots, and you can see it's really dark. I don't want to switch the light on to quickly. Switch the light on quickly. How much that helped. Yeah, so we've got some American DJ pocket spots either side. Yeah, I just thought we'd go out. I've blown off a bit of haze into the room. Like I say, I stick to using royalty free, and I've only got that one track. But I thought it might be fun to see with all the things all together. It's still daylight, pretty much, but we're in dusk, shall we say? So we've got warm. I'm gonna set it to high, and we'll press play at that then. I thought that was quite kind of fun. Let's do another one. Let's try Club 2, and then we'll call it a night. Oh, press Q. I have turned the brightness down a little bit as well. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, so that is the RB1 Rekordbox lighting with a Chauvet Gigbar. I don't think you can see anything in the room anymore. 2 American DJ pocket spots, and a little bit of haze in the room. So yeah, practice and enjoy. I don't think you can see my thumb. Bye.